Okay, I'm just going to go over how to do vertical lines on Desmos and restrict the range values or the domain. So I'm just going to, vertical lines are always going to start off with x. So if I want to do a vertical line at x equals, let's say -4, here's my line. But let's say I want it to go, and on vertical lines you have to restrict the range values from the lowest to the highest point. So let's say I want it to start at -2. So I'm going to hit the ABC and use this little squiggly, say -2, and then less than or equal to the y. I'm restricting the y values, and how high up do I want it? Let's say I want it to go up to here at +4, so I'm going to say less than or equal to 4. So we're saying y is going to be less than or equal to 4, but greater than or equal to -2. And then there you have your vertical line. Okay, let's do another one. So x equals, let's say I want it over here at 6. And I want it to be a really short line. So let's say I want to start at 0 and I want it to go up to here at +2. So I'm going to say 0 less than or equal to, again, I'm doing the y, this is the y, restricting the y, less than or equal to 2. Then I have this line right here. Okay, let's try to do one more vertical line, x equals, and I'll put it at, let's just say 2. And I'm going to make this a really long line. So I'm going to make it go from -5 all the way up to, let's say, 15. So I'm going to use the squiggly parentheses and say -5. So you can say -5 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 15. And then you have a really tall line. So that's how you make vertical lines. And then I'm going to do another video in a minute on how to shade. But this is just how to make vertical lines. It's always x equals, where you want it to cross the x-axis. And then you're going to restrict the range, the y values, from the lowest to the highest point on your line. So you got to start from least to greatest. This one goes from 0 to 2 on the y. And then the red line goes from -2 up to +4 on the y. And then again, make sure you are always saving your work as you work through your pet house project.